Here you go, nostalgia cure coming right up.
Ah, Dollywood, remember this trip?
How could I forget? Opening day, I Will Always Love You festival. It was perfect, and it was 3 weeks ago.
Did you see that? The album just turned the page by itself.
Weird. Must be the magic of Dollywood memories.
Look at how much younger we look, and those cinnamon rolls, legendary.
Worth every single calorie. Remember the line we waited in?
How could I forget? You were telling those corny jokes to keep everyone entertained.
The FIRECHASER Express. Man, that ride almost launched us into next week.
Almost, but at least we got a great picture out of it.
This day was truly magical. And the start of something pretty special, wouldn't you say? I will always love you.
Always.
we'd like to throw something Dolly in there, and we got to looking at, you know, some of the songs that we could do as a duo, and some of it, you know, some of it don't work with just two of us, and so we picked some of the hardest songs to do as a duo. But no, we started going back through Dolly's bluegrass albums, and she's got, I think, 1999 she won the Bluegrass Album of the Year at the Grammys for this next album here, and it's got a wonderful. I picked this song out of her Grammy album. The title of the album is called "The Grass Is Blue." So if anybody wants to check out Dolly's bluegrass album, it's phenomenal. She's got like the best players on there. It's a phenomenal album. But this is an old song that Lester Flatt and Earl Scruggs used to do that she covered on the Grass Is Blue album. And this is kind of a quintessential bluegrass song. It's called "I Wonder Where You Are Tonight." In all these years of matrimony.
All right, thank you very much. I totally forgot to mention on the last set, we have talked about the food truck business. We have carried on about the food. We love food, so that's the reason we have the food truck business. But also we are on a TV show called The Swap Shop on Netflix. So if you do have a Netflix, or if you share an account with your mom or somebody.
It's getting harder and harder to share with your mom. You have to go visit her and get on her internet once a month.
Sounds like somebody's doing that, right? But if you do watch anything on Netflix, we are on this TV show called The Swap Shop. It's really based, everything is based on East Tennessee area. There are several different group of people go to hunt some antiques, or you can call junk, and either they keep it or fix something and then flip to make a little bit of money out of that. So we're a part of it. I love anything made in USA. I love glassware and stuff. So I started collecting those things, and for some reason, somebody in the TV industry found me on Instagram account, and then you guys want to be on TV show, so that's how it happened.
And of course I said, why no, I ain't gonna be on TV. All right, we got time for one more for y'all. We've went a little bit over time here, but we've got our CDs and stuff set up here, and we'll be back here in just a little bit. The schedule's out there. We appreciate y'all for being with us. Good day. We'll do a train song, so we'll try to catch it on the way back. A little bit of Orange Blossom Special. Thank y'all. Well, yonder coming down that railroad.
Yeah,